Hello everyone, greetings from PayTap's technical support team. In this series, you will learn how to integrate with PayTaps through our PT2 API's endpoints. And we will walk you through the first integration type, which is the PayTaps hosted payment page. For the purpose of this series, we have created a very simple Laravel project to walk you through the integration process. But feel free to follow the steps in this series with your own project, whatever the programming language or the frameworks used to integrate with PayTaps. So, let's get started. In this video, we are going to learn more about the hosted payment page integration type itself, and we are also going to learn more about the prerequisite or the requirements you need to have before starting the actual integration process. So let's get started. The first thing you need to know is that you can find the full documentation for this tutorial inside PayTap support portal under the article called the Hosted Payment Page APIs Integration Manual. By following the steps inside this integration manual, you will be able to have or to actually fulfill the full integration process through our APIs, and we will be able to accomplish or create the hosted payment page with PayTaps. Now, the next thing you need to learn more about is the integration itself, the hosted payment page. From its name, the hosted payment page is the payment page or the integration type where it's actually totally managed and hosted at PayTap's side. So it's actually one of the easiest ways to integrate with PayTaps, and it actually has a lot of powerful features that we will be getting into and learning more about in the next couple of videos. But for now, you should know that the hosted payment page is very easy and can be used immediately. What I mean by that, if you navigate to step 1 over here, you will see that the first thing you need to learn more about is the PCI requirement. Actually, for the hosted payment page, we don't have any PCI requirements. Meaning, if you just have a PayTaps account ready and you have already signed up for one, you will be ready to use and integrate the hosted payment page immediately. So this means if we navigate to the system requirements over here, we will see also that we do not have any system requirements. All what you need to have is your PayTaps merchant account. And by following the steps mentioned here, or by following this tutorial, you will learn how you can immediately start integrating the hosted payment page. In the next video, we will learn more about the payment workflow for the hosted payment page and the behavior of the hosted payment page, and we will learn how this behavior may look at in our checkout page, and we will learn more about these stuff. Here in this video, we just want to learn about the hosted payment page and the requirement before starting the integration. Actually, the second thing you need to know about before we jump to the integration process is how you can configure the integration method. By meaning or by saying configure the integration method, we are here just talking about the most required and the API keys for the integration. Now, in order to get the API keys or the authentication keys you need, mainly the main thing you need before starting the integration, you just can follow the steps in here. And actually the required parameters, or let's say the required headers, the required domain, all the required things or the initial required things you need before starting the integrated are only three things: the domain or the endpoint, the profile ID, and the API key. And inside step 2 over here, you will see that you have solution article that will guide you how to get the profile ID, what is your region endpoint URL, how to get your API keys. All of these stuff you can learn how to get it, of course, from your merchant dashboard, and you can follow the steps in step 2 over here to find it and get it and start immediately requesting or using the hosted payment page. Finally, once you already have your profile ID and you know your region and your endpoint and you have your API key, we are now ready to jump into the integration and to learn more about the payment workflow and the required parameters and the optional parameter and all the features related to the hosted payment page integration type in the next video.